Hi dear friend, welcome in this video. This is the first thing that you see from me. My name is Yoli O. I'm a Wudang Taoist, 15th generation of Kung Fu Sun Wu Pai teachings. This is an esoteric form of Kung Fu that we are learning in this school, but it's still going to start with your body. So first we want to get you from a body which has particular kind of issues with health or vitality, or maybe your mind or your emotions are in the way. So we try to get you to the level of fitness that you're supposed to get to, and at the moment when you get into that level of fitness, then at that moment you are very simply going to, how do you say this, gradually start increasing and validating the things that you can do extra every day. And from the moment when you start validating the things that you can do extra every day, you gradually start building your own new life. So what we're going to do in this cycle is we're going to work on a cycle of exercises. Every day you learn a particular kind of set of principles and you learn a particular kind of set of exercises, and we go gradually work through your whole body. That means we're going to work on your arms, we're going to work on your legs, we're going to work on your neck, we're going to work on your trunk, and every part of the body is going to be flexed and going to be made more dynamic. So when we are exercising every day, I explain to you particular kind of things and practice this. At the moment you practice this, then at that moment you learn to increase your order of exercising in a particular kind of way. And namely, we are first going to start working on making sure that you learn all the roots of how you build fitness. Then we gradually start accumulating more and more exercises until eventually you come to about 100 exercises. So you can create every day a diet of exercises for things that you want to work on, the things that you prefer, or the things that you need, or the things that you feel like you're weak at. Although my advice would be exercise the things that you're weak at and bad at more than the ones that you are good at. Make sure that you follow your classes every day, because otherwise the challenge is no more a challenge and it's just whenever it suits. It's okay for me, you can do it as you can take as much time as you want for the thing, but I would prefer that you do it in 6 weeks, because that is the best way to make it your own. Let me leave it at this moment. You will see that the speed in the exercises in itself is not very high. Every day we do a few things, and at the end of the week we have a sort of a respite period of 2 days where you can repeat everything that you learned so far, and then gradually over a period of 6 weeks we are going to get to the point where you are going to be basically a master over your own exercises. You will see there is some bonus at the end of the series, and it means that you can, for instance, upgrade to become a Wudang fitness instructor. There is a separate course for that, so that means that you just continue your membership. Once you become an instructor, there's a special group on it. Every week we come together. This is specifically for the instructor course things, but you first have to earn your place in there, and that's for a later date. So let's get on with this, and when you sign up, then at that moment you can start with your program. And to make sure that your body is under control, your breath is under control, your mobility is under control, and you feel best about yourself. So always go for the max in that sense, but stay calm. Thank you very much for your attention, and continue.